Hello everyone, I am Mona. I live in a sweet home. Come with me, I will show you my home. Here is the drawing room. Bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. Let's go there and see what is there in the drawing room. Sofa, cushion, table, carpet, vase, and a telephone. Let's go to the bedroom now. See, there is a bed, bedsheet, pillow, lampshade, television, mirror, stool, almirah, fan. See, there are curtains also. Now, let's go to the kitchen. See, there is a gas stove, lighter, pan, rolling plate, rolling pin, cup, glass, plate, spoons, pressure cooker, and a refrigerator. Okay. There is my bathroom. See, there is a tap, wash basin, bucket, mug, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, towel, and a mirror. Look, my home is clean, as I keep it clean. You should also keep your home clean.